Mike show. We have my son, my little race car driver, Chevy. How's it going, Chevy?
Good.
And we got his new go-kart here today, so we're gonna be stripping it down and rebuilding it. So come along on this journey. I'm super excited to start working on this thing. Come on this journey with me and Mr. Chevy, and we'll strip this thing down. Let's get to work. Yee! Alright, so we've gotten a little farther. Woo-hoo. Got everything pretty much pulled off it. Been sanding down on the bottom, or grinding down the grinder on the bottom. Got all the spindles and everything, all the wheels. So we're gonna weld some of this stuff back into place. I didn't want to bore you with all my grinding and sparks flying everywhere, so we're gonna weld this back in real nice, tuck it in with a hammer, and then repaint it. But we gotta get all the rest of this nasty rust. See all this nasty stuff? The whole thing looked like that, so we're gonna get this all cleaned up. Repaint, get the motor popping, start reassembling with some bigger tires, better tires. Those back tires off of that Johnny. Front tires off this little snapper, probably. We'll see what we can make work. Sure is a good thing we got lots of machines around here to steal stuff from. We're snagging some tires off of here. I'm gonna check out these front tires. They're a little wider, a little shorter than the ones that were on here, so we'll try those out. I'm gonna try these back tires out, see what size. Those are a little bit about the same height, but a little bit wider than the ones that were on here. But good thing I had extra machines laying around here, junk, scrap stuff we can use parts off of. So we're gonna get finishing pulling this sucker off.
Protect yourself from the sun is to drink beer in the shade.
Cheers to the summer classic rock.
Give me my dang old tire. Alright, so now we got some back tires we might be able to do something with. I don't know. I'm gonna snag these front tires. See if these front tires fit on the spindles. Got pop an Allen bolt out of here. all sorts of fun. Got some rims and tires. But what do you think so far? Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. So after a little bit of doing, we got both these suckers cracked open because we needed the single output shaft on this other motor. It was a lot cleaner inside. This one's a little chunkier inside. Still not bad. It's not blown up or anything by any means. Just had a bunch of water and crap sitting in it. But we got them open. So we did switch this gear right here with this gear and shaft for this cover right here. So that was a fun process doing. Let me show you where it go. Oh yeah, this is what one of the pulleys off the motor, it never came off. This is the factory pulley on the rototiller motor right here. She did not want to come off at all. So that took a little bit of working. The little smaller pulley came off real smooth, but now we can put this small cover, boom. Also switched out, had this gear in here too. Bam, so they'll run inside there. Not an issue. They'll run in there nice. But we got it all together, so we're just gonna clean it out, clean up the casing, take off all the metal, polish it up, probably paint everything, paint this primary cover. Right here, see it doesn't have a hole that goes all the way through there. Boom, snap that back on her. Put some fresh oil in it. Woo! Put it back on the machine. Let's come on. Woo! Got the motor on. We're gonna get that tightened down. Got it running right. We gotta cut these hubs and weld them onto these tires. See, you gotta get the brake remounted. Get some fluid in that bad boy. Woo! Well, let's do a test run, see if this engine will turn. Let's go for it. Now we've gone from this little flat to this guy. So we welded around. So we got this little hub piece that we can tighten down onto the axle. with the key. We'll wait till that cools down. Get this one welded up, painted. But we're almost there, folks. It's been a long time coming, but we're getting her done. All right, y'all, it's been a long road. So I got sidetracked on another project, blah, 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 doesn't matter. But we got her finished to a point to where it can be driven. Still gotta hook up the brakes, but woohoo! I gotta pull the tape off the rear tires. I welded those rear hubs up. They came out real nice. All in all, paint got a little dirty from, you know, assembling, working, whatnot, whatever. But all in all, I think it came out pretty dang well. Let's hear it run. Now just a slight bit of timing, hook up the brakes, it'll be good to go. Thank you guys for watching Flip Mike. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Ask me any questions, anything like that, feel free. Thank you so much. Stay classy, YouTube. Remember to get your pet spayed neutered. I'm Flip Mike, and until the next video, I'll see you on the next one. Yay!